Hi! Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to make this Chomping Alligator. If you like this craft, please support this channel by hitting the subscribe button and don't forget to like and share. So, let's get creative, shall we? For this craft, we will be using corrugated boards, an art card, a tissue roll, 7 pieces round fasteners, googly eyes, paint, a single hole puncher, small pliers, pencil and pen, a ruler, glue, and scissors. Let's get started. First, using the corrugated board, measure and cut 4 inches by half an inch of card strips. Make 12 pieces of these. Then trim the sides to make curved edges. Find and mark the center and mark each ends for the holes. Copy the markings for 3 card strips and punch the holes. For the remaining card strips, we only need to make 2 holes, one in the middle and one on the side. So we have here 4 strips with 3 holes and 8 strips with 2 holes each. Then let's stick the 2 identical strips together. We should have a total of 6 pieces. To make the rings for the grip, let's draw 4 circles using a toilet roll. And draw extra lines to make the handle. Draw a circle inside the ring to make a hole for the grip. Take a tissue roll and flatten the sides to divide it into 2. Then cut along the creased lines. Then draw and cut a U shape to make the mouth. Make 2 of these. Fold it into half and fold the sides to make the shape of a mouth. For the eyes, cut a piece of a cardboard measuring 1 inch by 2 inches. We can now paint all the parts. Then measure and cut half an inch from an art card for the teeth. can cut in zigzag patterns. To start assembling the parts together, take the 2 strips with 3 holes. Connect the 2 center holes using a round fastener. Secure the fastener, but it should not be too tight. Then attach the other strips as shown. Test it out if it can move easily. We can now attach the teeth to the mouth. We can now attach the eyes. And add more details. Then glue the 2 rings together for a better grip, just like scissors. Trim to flatten this side to attach the mouth easier. And trim the other side as well. Apply some glue and stick the mouth. Make sure that the upper and lower mouth are aligned together. And finally, you can add some more details on the face. And there you have it, your very own Chomping Alligator. I hope you had fun making this craft with us today. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.